So during all this coronavirus stuff, my wife and I are homeschooling the kids while we work from home. She does math and reading and literature stuff. I do Spanish language, and then music and shop class. And so for shop class today, we're going to be working on this Coleman minibike. It's bone stock right now, but I got some goodies from Go Power Sports that we're going to bolt on there. And then, but first I got to go take a lap around our loop out here in the county here, and then we'll do one mod, and then do another lap, and then do another mod, and do another lap, and then we'll see where we go from there. So stay tuned. Alright, so the 3 mods we're gonna do that I think are like the simple enduro mods are, I really like this Mikuni Carb. I think it solves a lot of problems with the basic carb. You get gummed up with that ethanol fuel all the time. Plus it just has better delivery, better carb altogether. That also comes with a little cone filter. And on top of that you're gonna need a new handle, throttle assembly, cable, and then they sent these cool grips and stuff along with it. On top of that I'm gonna do the hater pipe after that. We'll kind of see what this does to our top end, and then after that we'll probably do another time and we'll do a quick zip tie governor delete, and then after that I think it'll probably be our fastest time, and then we got the 62 sprocket, which kind of helps your bottom end, which I think will take away from our top speed, which I don't think we'll be able to overcome with what we gain on the hill climb we do. So those are basically the 4 mods that we're gonna do. 3 we paid minimal for from GoPowersports.com, and the 4th one is free. So we'll see how they all go. What do you think, Willie? Should we get started?
Sure.
Yay!
Oh, to get this done too, for the 62 sprocket, you're also gonna need some 420 chain and a chain breaker. Makes your life a lot easier. And then probably good to replace your master link too. To get the new carb on, you have to peel off these studs that the old carb mounted on, and then mount this cool little adapter on there. What I really like about Go Power Sports is that they never forget anything. They know exactly what bike, they know exactly what you need. They throw in all the right hardware. There's no guessing and having to be the expert on something you're obviously not an expert at. These guys are awesome. I like the fact that I can do all this with just a Leatherman. That's why I love mini bikes. It's the only tool I have to carry in my pocket, and I can fix basically everything on here because it's super simple and all mechanical. It'll survive an EMP, and they're just hilarious, and you look stupid when you ride them, which is kind of the point. Next thing you got to do is remove the throttle cable, set up the new linkage. So fish the new cable up to the bottom of and onto the little doohickey in there. This into the base of the doohickey. Okay, now the last part of this is adjusting or connecting the throttle cable. It's spring loaded. You're basically gonna attach it to this plunger that's down in there. You gotta fish this thing now through the top of the cap of the Mikuni, fish it all the way through the spring, and you've pulled out the plunger out of the base of there. Now you've got to set this little end piece, this stop, through the slit on the bottom of the thing. Boom. Like that. So it'll look like that once you're done, and then you're going to fish it back down inside the carburetor. Make sure you got it seated the right way. There's a little thing that indexes it inside the carb. Screw it back down. And the last thing to do is hook up your fuel lines and everything. You got a little bleeder down here, so we'll zip tie that to the frame and go from there.
To hook up the gas line, you gotta pull the 3 bolts and pull the tank off. And there's a little deal under there. I did it already.
So that's honestly it. I gotta button up a few things, and we'll start it up and see if we can adjust the throttle. I always like to get the back tire off the ground before I test it out for the first time. I wouldn't say always, but the one time I didn't, I had a go-kart fly across the old shop at about 40 miles an hour. So that was exciting. That's amazing. First pull, and it's just immediately idling with zero problems. So I'm gonna get the new grips on. I'm gonna get everything zip tied together, and we'll take it for a speed run. I knew it was gonna be better. I didn't know it was gonna be that much better. My original time was 8 minutes and 19 seconds. My top speed was 22 miles an hour, and that's bone stock on the Coleman CT. And then after that was installed, and it's kind of a Le Mans start, 5 minutes, 41 seconds. So that's a difference of almost 3 minutes. And then I got stuck behind a truck. I think it would have been even better. And with a top speed of 31 miles per hour. So that's almost 10 miles per hour just with the Mikuni, the throttle response, everything was so much. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. So tomorrow we'll stick the pipe on it. Maybe I'll do one more run clear of trucks in the morning, and we'll stick the pipe on it, and then we'll see how fast she goes, and then we'll also see if that 60 tooth makes any difference on this. This may be a hauler, man. It's gonna be awesome. Anyways, ABG.